Hey friends, it's Allie. Welcome to Glam Elegant Decor and Design, and today I'm hosting the Home Decor Luxe Club along with my beautiful YouTube sisters. We are called the Vlogtober Squad for this month. And so today I decided to do a vlog but also a home tour. But first, coffee.
Good morning.
Good morning. Oh, thank you, honey. Cheers. Let's do cheers. Bringing me my cup of joe in the morning. You got some goodies in there for me too? Let's see. I was being silly with hubby, but I'd like to start by sharing this little mat that I got from Ross, very affordable. And the goal for today is to get rid of this couch. As you could see, my hubby did a great job and my son was being silly. So there you have it. I was like, okay, release all your inhibitions, son. So my hubby took me to a furniture store that we loved. I love that mirror, friends. I did not pick it up. I was looking for a mirror, but not that color. So, we just perused over things and we ended up selecting a beautiful couch that is a little bit different than I was hoping to initially get, because initially I wanted something light, but I ended up getting a dark color. So you will see that in a bit. But I wanted to share some of these glam beauties. They are so very pretty. So as you can see here, they had a lot of furniture, beautiful, different furniture. And so I was looking for something like a lighter brown, but then I decided light browns turned really ugly and yucky. So I decided to go for a little bit darker, like this one that my hubby was sitting on. And I thought it was really cute. I also went with my mom to a different furniture shop or store, and I was just perusing over this beautiful decor. And finally, the day has come and my recliner couch or sofa is here. It is a recliner love seat. It is so beautiful. You guys know when I sing, I really love it. It's leather, Italian, USA, genuine leather. And, I really love buying things that are going to benefit others. And this is definitely for a good cause. As you could see there, you could pause it and read it. But I definitely was very happy with it. I have to admit, when it came home, it looked a little bit darker than it did in the furniture store. And look at this beautiful little drawing here. But, in all honesty, I think it is fine. It looks very elegant, very classy looking. And I was looking for something that was more practical, that is more darker in color, because the other ones were turning filthy. Now, this buttery soft throw is perfect. $12.99 from Ross, because I had to get new throws for my beautiful sofa recliner. And I specifically like these because it says give thanks. They are perfect. They're going to go along with, all of fall and Thanksgiving. And I think they're just beautiful. And this is a power recliner, so you do have to push it manually. There's no control, but once you push the buttons, it's, electrical. So that's always nice. So we don't have to do it manual. So that's always a plus. So I'm hoping this is going to be a little bit more practical than the ones that we've had before that are lighter in color. I just wanted to go with something a little darker, classier, get away from all the stark white that we've been obsessed with for a couple of years. And guys, I also picked up this beautiful lamp. Look at the lampshade, made out of just like crystals, and it's a beautiful, like a brushed gold almost, and it's just gorgeous, just perfect. I was playing around with it here, but I totally love it. I think it's so beautiful. So of course I've had to have it. I'm going more to the gold colors now. So here's the official tour. I hope you guys will enjoy. Most of these things you've already seen in a haul. Very inexpensive, just $2 or $3 for $40 wreaths after the at-home sale, after clearance on off-season. So please enjoy the rest of the video with music. Please remember to check out my beautiful YouTube sisters. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to live well, healthy, happy, and organized. Many blessings, and enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks for watching, friends. And thank you to my beautiful YouTube sisters for collaborating with me.